Friends, be environment friendly. The used old car tires can be put to better use. Today I am going to show you how to do a swing out of a old tire, maybe two pipes or two angles. This is an angle, waist angle, around 18 inches. This is a pipe which is 20 inches. The longer piece and the shorter piece, they have to be 90 degrees using a tri-spire. This is the middle of that and you are going to weld it here. Old tire, 3-meter plastic rope, a H metal frame, 2 S hooks, 4 6 mm bolts of 30 mm long with washers and nuts, a chain. Take a old car tire, thoroughly clean it with water and shampoo. Mark on the rim of the tire 8 points exactly at equal distance. Drill holes of 8 mm or 10 mm on these points. Mark 2 points on the other side of the tire, exactly diagonally opposite on the rim. Take the H section, place it exactly on these points at equal distance to the edge. Make sure the H section is exactly in the center and in the middle from one side to other side. Here at this junction where the pipe and the long section meets, on either side drill small holes, maybe of around 3 or 5 millimeter. Here also similarly you drill 2 small holes. These holes are required to tie this edge section firmly onto the tire. The rope. Take one end of the rope, insert through one hole. Put a knot here and another knot so that it should not slip through the hole. Then pull it back. Take the other end of the rope, pass it through the diagonally opposite hole. Pull it from inside. Pull it hard so that the rope is tight. Now, take the rope from the next hole from inside to outside. Yes, pull it hard. Go to the exactly diagonally opposite another hole. Pull it hard, and the last hole from outside to inside, you pull the rope. Afterwards, you tie it hard in such a fashion, a knot from inside so that it should not slip. Place the extra thread inside only. In future, if you want to tighten, this will be available here. Metal section is now fixed to the tire at 2 places. One here, the other one is here. Using a very strong thread, you can tie it together so that it should not move. Later, you pass the chain. Now you have to make sure that the chain is of equal length, 2 pieces. one to the left and other to the right. Now take one piece of that chain and the other piece you keep it aside. Pass the chain one end through this pipe and take it out through the other one and then pull it out. Make sure on either side of the pipe the chain is of exactly equal length. Do the similar thing for the another chain to the pipe at the bottom. 2 holes are drilled and the 6 mm bolts are placed through the chain into the tire. One on this side and the other one side. From inside you have another washer, and with the nut you tighten the bolt and the nut together so that the chain clings onto the tire. Swing made from an old tire. By introducing a rod in between, you can have a multi-purpose swing and a pull-up rod in the same unit. By making use of 2 old car tires, we can make a swing for 2-seater. These 2 tires are supported by a metal piece which is in the H shape. The H-shaped metal tube is supported and fixed to the tires at either end, one here on the other side here, plus in the center to the old tires. 2 tire, 2-seaters swing.